Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's results day and I've just received the email from my college with my result for my course. So I did a cash course which is similar to a BTEC. Now okay, so it's currently 22-1 and my results came in like at 25-2-ish, and so however, at 20-9 this morning, I did log on to UCAS and I did see that my uni have, like, I've got my place, like my place is confirmed. So I know that I've got into uni. Now, my friends have already opened theirs, and two of my friends, I think it's at least two, I think only two of them have opened it, but my third probably has, but I've started filming this. But they both got a B, so I'm expecting that my grade will be a B. So yep. And I got a B, which is the grade above my required, grade, because like for uni, because the uni wanted a C, and so getting a B is really good. And yeah, now I don't get the sort of like breakdown in terms of like what I got for each module. I won't find that out until it comes to like the certificate coming through the post, which will come in like a couple of days. But I'm really happy with a B, especially after how in the first year stuff didn't really go well for a lot of us, and how I got D's in most units and ended up with a C overall. Well, I say most units, but I ended up with a C overall, which meant that I couldn't get as high as I possibly maybe could have. Like if I'd have done better last year and got a C in a few more modules last year, I could have maybe gotten an A, but I am really happy with a B. And to be honest, I think at the start of the year I said as long as I get a B, like I'll be happy, and I got a B, so I'm happy. Like I know so many people would have said like there'll be people watching thinking, oh, you should aim for an A, but the thing is with the way my course is worked, the first year heavily influences second year. Like they combine, like modules you do this in second year combine with first year, so like there's a certain amount of points applied to a grade, not UCAS points, just points in general, and you add all those points up first year and second year, and then whichever grade bracket that falls into is what grade you get. So I obviously fell into a grade B. I've got the sheet somewhere, God knows, so I can't tell you exactly what the grade bracket was, but I got a B. I'm happy with a B, and how many times can I say B? Because I got into uni, I'm getting a Chinese tonight. My mum's already said that like a couple of hours ago, but I got a B. So yeah, let me know what you got in the comment section below, whether that be this year or last year. Please subscribe, because I have a lot of uni content planned coming up shortly in like the next month or so, maybe even shorter. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like so that more people can see this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.